Erode Tamil Nadu officials reported that heavy police deployment was in place as DVK chief Vijay prepared to hold a public meeting. Visuals from the site showed people steadily arriving with security personnel. Movements were made to manage the large turnout and prevent any untoward incidents. The deployment included senior officers and multiple units tasked with crowd control and traffic regulation. Sources noted that the meeting was expected to draw significant attention given Vijay's growing political presence. The atmosphere was described as disciplined yet energetic, with citizens eager to participate while police maintained vigilance to safeguard the event's smooth conduct.
ஒத்துழைப்பு கொடுக்கும்படி உங்களை அன்புடன் தயவு செய்து உட்காரும்படி கேட்டுக் கொள்ளப்படுகிறது. ஃபுல்லாக அடுத்த பாக்ஸ்ல நீங்க போயிட்டு தயவு செய்து அகாமடேட் ஆயிடணும். தயவு செய்து